ASUS is pushing gaming laptops into a completely different category now. The company has officially unveiled the new ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 2026, and on paper, this thing looks less like a portable machine and more like a full desktop setup squeezed into an 18-inch chassis. And honestly, the numbers are kind of absurd. We're talking about up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 29HX Plus processor, paired with NVIDIA's RTX 5090 laptop GPU, and a total system power ceiling of 320 watts. That's a massive jump compared to the previous generation, and ASUS is even bundling a 450-watt power adapter just to sustain it. But raw performance isn't the only headline here. The real attention grabber is the display. ASUS claims this is the world's first 18-inch 4K mini LED gaming laptop panel running at 240 Hz simultaneously. Usually, gaming laptops force you to choose between ultra-high resolution or ultra-high refresh rates. This machine is trying to eliminate that compromise entirely.
And the panel itself sounds incredibly aggressive from a specs perspective. Over 2,000 local dimming zones, up to 1,600 nits of HDR brightness, full DCI P3 color coverage, plus ASUS's new Nebula ELMB motion clarity technology designed to reduce blur during fast movement. So this isn't just targeting esports players, it's also aimed at creators, video editors, 3D artists, and basically anyone who wants desktop-class visuals without sitting at a desk. Of course, once you start pushing 320 watts inside a laptop, cooling becomes the real engineering challenge. ASUS says the new SCAR 18 uses a redesigned thermal system with a larger vapor chamber, thicker heat sinks, upgraded airflow routing, and dramatically improved fan performance. According to the company, airflow increases by over 90% compared to the previous generation. And honestly, that matters more than marketing buzzwords. Because modern gaming laptops aren't really competing on whether they can run games anymore. Most high-end machines already can. Now the competition is about sustained performance. Can the laptop maintain high frame rates after 30 minutes? Can it stay relatively quiet? Can it avoid thermal throttling while rendering video or running AI workloads? That's the new battleground. What's also interesting is the timing. The premium gaming laptop market is getting increasingly extreme. Even competitors like Razer are pushing higher prices and more powerful desktop replacement systems in 2026. So ASUS isn't just launching another gaming laptop here. It's making a statement about where flagship laptops are heading next. Bigger displays, higher power limits, desktop-tier cooling, and fewer compromises overall. The only obvious downside? Portability. The new SCAR 18 is reportedly heavier than last year's model by more than 400 grams. But maybe that's the point. Machines like this are no longer trying to replace Ultrabooks. They're trying to replace your entire gaming setup.